Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, happy 2024. Look, I hope that this video catches you at the right time. This is how you level up your career or your opportunities in clinical research. I don't care if you're in it as an entrepreneur or an employee, or you're trying to get your first role, or you're trying to elevate your role. Maybe you're an international medical graduate, CRC, wanting to be a medical monitor. No matter what, myself included, we all have our unique aspirations this year in clinical research and going beyond. So here's how you do it. You got to learn. That's the first thing you got to do. Even if you've been in this industry for a while like me, I'm going to be going on 20 years next year. So I'm at 19 years. I'm still learning new things. I'm learning what it means to be an advisor this year specifically, as I started delving into that last year. I'm starting to learn more about how the inner workings of a small biotech company work. That's something I'm very interested in. Learn. Network is number 2. If you're not networking, you're taking the circuitous path and you're not learning from others. So you can learn and network simultaneously, but you're not learning from others. You're not meeting other people who could potentially become allies for you. And there's no excuse for why you shouldn't network. Now, networking doesn't mean just asking for things from random people. Networking is reciprocal. So you help someone out. It could be as simple as liking their LinkedIn post or making comments or sharing their posts, messaging them, say, hey, the reason I'm sharing your post, I'm really interested in the things you do. I actually want to do stuff like this. You've already helped them before you've asked anything. That's networking. SOS conference, by the way, February 2nd, 2024. If you're watching this in the future, don't worry, there's other SOS conference. Just go to saveoursites.com. That's where you can meet all these people in one place, network. We're going to have a pre-party. We're going to have the conference. We're going to have the after party. Make sure you go check that out. Do things like that. So learn, network, then you got to apply what you've learned and what you've networked. You've got to actually apply yourself, which could mean apply for that job, reach out and do biz dev if you're an entrepreneur. You're not applying for jobs if you're an entrepreneur, but just apply what you've learned and your connections and bring an actual value to the marketplace. So it could be as simple as applying for jobs. It could be as simple as applying for that new study if you've just started a research site. It could be as simple as, in my case, asking a company you really have optimism about if they're looking for advisor roles. It could be anything you want. It does you no good if you've learned a network, if you don't then apply it. And this is where a lot of people get scared, is on the application part, because you could forever learn a network and then never actually do anything with it because you're never ready. Well, you're never going to be ready no matter what. You might as well get practice. You might as well get your reps in by actually doing the things that you say you want to do. Finally, it's a maze. So the learning, the networking, the applying, you've got to actually stand out. You've got to produce results. You've got to make people say, wow, how come I never thought of this person before? Like this person has amazed me in every possible way. That means excelling at what you do. And if you don't have the skill set to excel, you make up for it in effort until you get that skill set. So it's pretty simple. This is not rocket science, but at the end of the day, we all know the law of averages. Most people won't do this. Even the ones that listen to this won't do it for whatever reasons. They'll rationalize it to themselves, but don't be that person. Be one of the few, and then you can put yourself on the path to reach amazing results in 2024. Thank you so much, Guru Nation. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Good luck. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.